Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new episode from Salvage Nations. Guys, first of all, I just want to say thank you to everyone who's recently subscribed to my channel, and obviously thank you to the OG subscribers as well. Massive shout out to Reviving Salvage for sharing my content, and I see you guys in the comments. You're letting it be known that Reviving Salvage has sent you, and I appreciate all of it. So guys, in today's episode, we've got a bit of a mixed bag. I'm headed down to H&A at the moment and might be saying goodbye to 2 cars, not 1, but 2 cars today. I've got a buyer lined up for both my Mercedes E-Class and my Mercedes C-Class. And if you haven't seen the build on both those cars, check out my other videos so you know what I'm talking about. Both the cars have got problems with the headlights, so I'm going to get them down to H&A Autos today, hopefully get to grips with these problems with the headlights, show you guys what I'm talking about. So hopefully if all goes well, I'll be getting rid of 2 cars today, which is bittersweet. So let's get down to H&A Autos. I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'll stop waffling. Let's crack on with it. So guys, like I said, it's going to be a mixed bag in this episode. So the first thing I need to get done, I'm at H&A Autos at the moment. He's polishing my 2016 C-Class. So once he's finished with that, I need to change the headlight and I need to do a few bits and bobs. So let's check it out. So whilst Mustafa is doing the polishing on the paintwork, I'm gonna just change out this headlight. The headlight is still working, however, it's got a massive hole there. So I've got my replacement headlight that came in the post. I'm gonna put this into this, and this car is gonna be going today. So I'm gonna be selling this car today so that I can get something bigger and better for the channel, and then we can continue. So let's continue with getting the headlight changed whilst Mustafa does the polishing. Crack on. So it's a straightforward case of 1, 2, and 3 bolts. I'm gonna loosen up the front bumper. That all's gonna come off. Should be very straightforward to get my new headlight fitted, and then this car can be off today. Look guys, I was fortunate enough to find a complete headlight with the balances, with everything. So this should be a straight light for light swap. Guys, now that I've got my broken headlight out, have a listen. I don't know if you can hear that on the camera, but look. Brand new light for light. Guys, have a look at this paintwork. That's going to be it for this build. Like I said, this is just a quick build that I bought to flip so that I can continue to generate funds, which funds the channel. Another way to fund the channel, guys, is if you head over to Shop Salvage Nation and support the channel. But anyway, this car has been polished and everything has been done today. I've got a buyer that's going to come collect it from me tonight, so I'm really happy about that. Like I said, today is going to be a mixed bag. So after this goes, I'm going to go collect my E-Class. I'm going to try to sort out my headlight, it had a lot of condensation, because then tonight as well, someone else is going to come to collect the E-Class from me. Another one. So I'm going to be left with just the BMWs on the channel. I'm going to do a full update at the end of this video. So I'll finish with the C-Class. Let's continue on to the E-Class. Stay tuned for a full update. So now I'm finished with the C-Class, back onto the E-Class. I need to get this headlight out. This has got too much condensation in it. I think I've been sold a dodgy light yet again. So I'm gonna try my best to take this off, dry it out, get it back on the car, and hopefully it works. If it gets this level of condensation again, then we have to get a new light. Let's see. There we go, with a little bit of hard work, it's all working. So now I can put that back together. And then I've got a new buyer, the new buyer of the E-Class, and that's it. So this is gonna be the last video on the E-Class on the channel. Sad to see it go. Guys, that's all she wrote on this build. Come to an end. I've sold it. It's gone. No more E-Class on the channel. Just have a look at it. It's such a nice car. Such a nice looking car. It's bittersweet, guys. Bittersweet. Guys, as one build ends, another one must begin. So stay tuned to see what's the next build on Salvage Nation. So I'm off to meet the buyer for my 2016 Mercedes C-Class, and that's going to be it for that on the channel. So today we've said goodbye to two of the major cars that were on the channel. So if you haven't seen the videos of myself repairing either of those two cars, double check in my playlist. I've got two playlists for both of those cars, but it's bittersweet. I'm sorry to say goodbye to these cars after I've put in a lot of work, and they mean something. It's a bit of me that goes, it sounds cliche, but you know, you put in a lot of work with these cars, and to say goodbye is a bit sad. But with every car that goes is the opportunity to get something bigger and better, and to keep growing the channel and to keep developing my skills when I'm working with these cars. So guys, that was a success. Confirmed. The E-Class gone, C-Class is gone. Both cars have been sold today. I'm a happy bunny. Both cars completely finished. Both cars completely gone. That's it. You will not see those cars on the channel anymore. Like I said, feel a bit catch-22 with that. Bittersweet, but we have to move on to bigger and better things. I'm on the lookout for BMW M3. That's my absolute dream car. That is my favorite car of all times. I know the E-Class was pretty nice, but E92 or E93 BMW M3, that's a bit of me. That's what I'm saving for. That's what I'm trying to find. I'm back at H&A where I've dropped off the BMW E88, where Mustafa's gonna just spray my passenger side wing, front bumper, and just get this car ready to sell as well. So guys, like I said, support the channel by heading out to my merch shop, shopsalvagenation.com. I'll put the link down below. And if you like this kind of content, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you enjoyed the video today and you're watching and you're not subscribed, guys, smash the subscribe button so you're gonna get a bit more the same kind of content. Like I always say, guys, gotta keep it moving. I'll catch you in the next one.